DJI Mini Pro 4. Let's talk about it. I've had this drone since Christmas. My wife bought me this drone for a Christmas present, and I got some feelings about it, especially today. Today is the first day I've gone out and attempted to do ActiveTrack to follow me around, and it says I'm too dark. Trying this again. Try putting in cinematic mode and see what happens. But I'm having bad luck right now. Like helix mode. Hold in position. So the drone's lost me multiple times saying my environment's too dark or I'm too dark. Pretty racist, DJI. That wasn't really a fun thing to go deal with, but here we are dealing with it. I probably killed a lot of this battery wasting my time with this, and it just lost me again. Now I'm in the shade, but earlier I was in the sun coming to where I'm at right now, and I kept highlighting myself. It kept saying your environment's too dark. I turned I've never heard that before from ActiveTrack. I used to have the Air 2, which I've never had issues with the ActiveTrack on there. This one, especially during the day, this one, first time I'm trying to use, I'm too dark. I have it recording me right now. Right now it is looking like it's tracking me, but I'm in the shade, which is crazy. It's a darker setting. Everything's darker. And ooh. All these trees around, I'm like kind of nervous. Is it going to hit something? Because I'm having an issue with the downward vision sensor, and I've cleaned it. I don't know. This is. I've had a lot of errors when it comes to this this drone. It's lightweight. It's a great drone. I can't complain when it comes to the lightweight. The main reason why I wanted it is because it's lightweight. I can just throw it in something, even though everything else about this drone is lightweight. Battery, it's like a gun. Just throw it in there. Start it up. You got your levels. This battery just died, or it's about to die, so I'm on 1. Gotta charge it. Unlike the Air series or the Air 2 and my Spark, this is very plastically. Like, it's plastic. You can tell it's lightweight of how the plastic is. The other thing I don't like about this drone, the propellers are screw-on instead of a clip-in. I don't like that. They're very dangly too. So I'm not a fan of the screw-ons. I'm not a fan of the dangly. The camera though is great. I love the camera on it. It's a great camera. I haven't tested out in the wind because I'm scared. Like I said, this is light, and this is the lightest drone I got, or lightest drone I have. So the Spark, I wasn't too scared. I mean, I was kind of scared of it in the wind, but after flying it for so long and so many places, I've learned that the Spark can handle pretty good. Even the tracking is better than what I've experienced. And the only thing bad about the Spark was the transmission, and yeah, the transmission was terrible. I couldn't stand the transmission. Now, the main reason why I was so happy to get the DJI Mini 4 Pro is for the remote. I want to upgrade remotes with the Air 2. Unfortunately, the RC, I believe the RC1 did not go with the 2. It went with the 2S. I was contemplating on getting the 2S, and then I was like, 3 is already out. Wait, hold on. I already have a heavy one. Let me get a small one and get the 4. And so that was my goal to get, and then my lady beat me to it by surprising me with this gift. And she surprised me on the right time, because I crashed it literally a few days before Christmas. So I was really disappointed, because I have not crashed a drone since, I want to say 2017 or 2018. So I was very disappointed when I crashed. And I night fly all the time, which makes it even worse. I mean, I still have the Spark. That lets you know I don't crash. Battery life, I haven't got the battery life that it has been advertised for. I hit maybe 20 some odd minutes, depending on the flight and where I'm flying, how I'm flying it. So maybe 20 minutes or so. I haven't tested for speed. I haven't really been in sport mode for this drone, just because I've been learning it and getting the camera picture wide and figuring out the quality and how I want to use it. Now, the thing I do wish, and I wish they did this for drones, period, was like for the Action Pro, and then for like this right here, the Pocket 3, the Action Pro, for the DJI Action, Osmo Action, and then for the Pocket 3, there's profiles that you can set, for your picture, your video, how you want your picture, if you want your profile set for night mode and a certain shutter rate and everything. Like, I wish drones had that, where you can set a profile and just go to that profile and start filming from that profile. They don't. That's the biggest downfall in the drones, period, in my opinion, when it comes to filming. I know filming down ground is different than filming up in the air, but I still wish we can do that profile. It was on the DJI Osmo Action 1, which I still film with. I see it here on the Pocket 3, which is amazing, and I read it's still on the Osmo Action 4, which I'll be getting in the next few months. So I wish DJI would do that for their drones, where we can have different profiles for whatever kind of video, and we don't have to go on there and custom and do this, that, and the other constantly over and over and over again. I wish there was just different profiles. So that's another downfall to me that I don't like, and that's just me. That's my personal opinion when it comes to the Mini 4 Pro and the Air 2. And I don't have the higher top of the line DJI product or drone products. I don't have the Mavic. I don't have the Mavic series at all. I have the Spark, the Air 2, which I just wrecked, and I probably will replace it with the Air 3. And then I have the Mini 4 Pro. Thank you guys for listening to my little rant on the DJI Mini Pro 4. I do like the drone. I like the weight of it. I like the controls of it. I've customized the controls where it's pretty good. I just wish we could do a profile when it comes to filming. Like, I wish we could do something like that. I do need to get filters for it. I don't have no ND filters, but I will be getting that soon, I hope. And yeah, That's all I have to say. It's your boy, One True Gemini. Thanks for tuning in. Deuces. I hope they do right by our youth, keep our kids safe,